Well, I turned 26 today, and I have a few things I want to say. Social media is not real. Use it to grow. Don't let it consume you. Stabilize your mind before anything else. You're in your 20s, so you don't need to own assets right now. That's 30 to 35. Right now, your only job is to build skills and explore. I was never the topper of my class, but I never stopped learning, and that matters more. Don't rush, just stay aware. Stay conscious of what's happening around you. And above everything else, be human. To yourself and to others. We'll make it.